In this video, I'm in the northern part of Guatemala visiting Tikal National Park. It's 1 hour and 15 minutes from Flores. Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and these are the Tikal ruins. Hello, so the plan today is to tour the Tikal ruins in Guatemala. So the area is quite roomy. This is where the parking lot is. And you come up, see the big Guatemala flag here. And then they even have it's a little model showing you all the ruins are laid out here. And then they have a whole bunch of souvenir shops around this area. Okay, so here's the plan. Here's where we're starting out right here. We're gonna go over here to this big ruin first, and then it's a 20-minute walk, and then go there, and then hit the rest of it. Let's see how this goes. Should be pretty interesting. Cool. So this is what the first 20 minutes of this hike looks like right here. Look at this. This is interesting. Some kind of something like a mushroom growing out of the side of this tree. All right. So after walking about 20 minutes, come to this Temple 6 right here. You turn around and there it is. This is like the backside of it here. So let's continue on with our walk this way and see what else we can see here. And now this is the other side of it. So basically it looks similar to the front side of it. I don't think they will allow us to go any closer, so not allowed to enter, but I'll try to get a little closer up here to look at this ruin, and there it is. So we're literally going around the trail. That's the trail we came in on, and now we're gonna head on back out this way. After seeing that temple number 6, now we're on our way to the Grand Plaza to check out all the other ones. So there was only one that we had to walk out of the way for, a 20-minute walk to get to. So finally, after walking the 25 minutes, we come to this place right here, Plaza of the Groves. So let's go check out these ruins here. If you're enjoying this video and finding it informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. I post a new video every week. Take a stroll around. Let's go see. And look at this. Oh. Okay, so these are the ruins right here. And I'm going to show you something here. If you go through this little hole, this little cave, it'll loop around and come out the other way instead of going up the steps like I just did. So here, see, after you're all done, just walk through this little catacomb and come right on out where we were just at the very beginning. So if you're not one that wants to climb up those steps like I just did earlier and go through there, you could go fast and go through here. Okay, so that was a quick turnaround, and then here's the other ruins here. You hear all kinds of nature. Hear those animals? Heard something growling really earlier in the day through this area here. So after you explore here, you can then come over here, and there's some more. Let's go over here. Look at this. See? Individual little rooms in here going up, hollow, and then so that's what each one has to offer. Looking through these little ruins and then going down here. So we'll go out to the front area now. This is here, and then looking to the right, to the left. Okay, so as I take one final look and comes through the little chute there, so we're ready to go to the next destination, next ruin, this way. One final look at it just before we go. So after seeing those 2 other ruins, now we finally come to the main plaza. Look at this, now it's starting to get really good. So starting to open up. Look at these little diagrams or designs on the sides of them, attention to detail. I'm not sure, I guess they have these sticks here so we can't go on them. Yeah, that says no, do not climb. So these are just strictly for viewing as we walk by to this one, the big one here. And this is the directions to go on around to the main plaza right here. So now, after walking up this steep little embankment here, I'm going to go check out that ruin that I just showed you earlier that I wasn't allowed to climb up on, but we can see it through this way. So now see, that's where we were at earlier, looking at it from the front. But now we can come up and check this out from this angle. Let's go, see. Okay, so then we go up through this way and come out. Look at that. Wow, so a whole big hidden thing back here. You saw the front, and then you come out here and you see a whole lot more happening in this area. Oh, this is nice. And the good thing is you can climb up these things up back here. Carefully going up, sideways, and then this is it. High atop one of the smaller little ruins. Okay, so now is this big ruin. I was just on that one earlier. Now let's go check out this one over here. Go up these steps and see what we can find on these ruins. Very fascinating, everything here that it's always it's a little mystery as to what you're going to see when you get around the next corner. That's what I like about these things. Look at this. Oh, wow. And these steps here are very steep going on up. Look at that, a panoramic view of the whole area as you see it. So this is where I was starting my walk up, walking up here and seeing this, and then the side of it, you see this over here. And then there's more steps. You could go up over here or go in the back of it. So look at this. Pretty nice. Let me go through these little ruins here. Look at this. See? And this is where I was just at. Coming through here, and then here you can go in these little rooms and look at them, the shapes of them all. Okay, so after having fun seeing those ruins there, let me make my way over here and see what we find on this part of the main plaza. Look at this. It's a really nice walk, and you get, oh, these are nice up here, look. Very nice. You can walk over here, you can go to that one, you can go up that big one, or go this way. Let's go to the left side first. We've been having good luck starting out going to the left on a lot of these, this hike on this trip, so let's do it. All right, look at this. The few of the proud. A little chute door going down there. Now this is saying no souvenir, so I guess they're saying no, can't enter there, so we'll obey the rules and not go in there. And then let's see what this is over here. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Was it worth it? Yeah. But I got to turn around because this is the end of the road here. So let's go back down, play it safe. But what a nice view that is right there. That's where I climbed up that little embankment and took that really nice shot right there. This is the back of this one. So let's continue on over walking that way. See what we can find. We can go up there. I already showed you a peek of what that looks like. Let's see what this looks like. Then we'll double back. Look at this. Nice little hiking trails too. Look at that. All the way. It's really nice that they made this so you don't mess up the old original steps going up. And it's a nice convenient little trail as well. Okay, let's see what's over here. Going up, going up, going up. Ooh, all right. Almost there. Going to the big, big, big one right there. I think this one, they allow you to go up. Oh, wow, look at this main thing. Wow, look at this. Here's all the people here hiding out. Wow, look at this. So this is the aerial view of the main area. I've come around this corner here, and we're gonna go explore this area over here. This was, if you remember, one of the spots that I looked at from high atop. Now let's give it a ground level view. Ah, here it is. Look at that. That's where I was at earlier when I took that aerial view of the whole area. So peaceful and quiet compared to that main plaza where there's a lot of people at in this area. Let's see what they have here behind the chicken wire. Looks interesting. Okay, so just more areas they don't want you to go into, but here's one of the big ruins there. Kind of a neat shot coming down this way. Look at that. Wow, makes you feel like you're right there. Kind of reminds me a little of a cross between Machu Picchu and Chichen Itza. And then you can go up on that one. So that's the one they'll allow you on, not on this one. So this is the aerial view. Let me take a walk down there and show you this plaza up close. As you can see, this one up here you're not allowed to go on, and then this one you can go up to. So I'll be heading up there. Okay, this is the big Mayan deal back here, and then backing up, giving you a good view of it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go climb up to the top of that and show you that view of what that looks like. Look at this ruin here. They got the little monuments here. Respecting the monuments, they tell people that's not a seat, don't sit on it. And let's go walk around here and check out the monument from high atop. So this is Temple 2 that we are allowed to go up on. This is considered the Queen Temple, and that big one over there, the biggest one, is the King Temple that you're not allowed to go up on. So let's go see where these steps are at over here. So this is interesting. They made their own steps aside from the actual ruin itself that they have, that they'll allow you to go up on. It says maximum 10 persons max going on these steps, I guess, at one time. So we're almost there. Just this last little bit of steps and we are at the top of the Queen Temple, and we can look over and see what it looks like. And here's the last runway to it. Right there, look at that. Nice. That's where we were just at, right down there where there were. So very interesting, they made these wooden separate from the actual ruin, so you're not walking on it at all, and you can get a little better angle of it from the corner here. Look at that. Okay. Oh, they're restoring this type of ruin over here. Should be interesting when that's done. And then all this over here from this side. So this is the Queen. High up top, looking up into it. Okay, so these are these temples here. Let's go get a better look at them from this view. Now this right here is opposite of the king and the queen. Remember, there's the big king here, there's the queen there that I went up on earlier, but I did not go through this area. So let's go take a look at what this is about. Look at these steep stairs over here. Don't think they want you going up and down those steps like these people are doing here, because they have built their own steps to go up on. But let's check this out. Okay. So now I'm going to take the big challenge and go up these steep. Look at these people coming down here. So let's check it out. Zigzag's the key to going up these steps. Just angle this way and then back the other way. It's much, much easier than trying to go straight up. And just like that, zigzagging back and forth, you can get up here. Pretty nice. Wow. Look at Anne here. She's demonstrating how to go up. Look at that. This is really nice. Very good. Look at that. Straight on up like a lizard, a gecko, an iguana. Almost there. Look at that. Taking the fact, you just did all of that. Good job. And there's the view. Okay, so now that I made it up here, I'm gonna explore around this area and see what we see. Let's go check this out. It's always a new adventure whenever you, uh-oh, it's a dead end. Well, that's not very good. Yeah. That means I'm gonna have to go down all of those steep stairs I came up on. Can you believe that? Okay, so actually, if you just go up there, you don't have to go all the way down. You can just connect here and go. So I was mistaken. I almost was going to go over the edge of that wall there. So really, I was ready to, you know what I was going to do? I was going to scale the back of this wall here and go over that and then come down, because I didn't really want to go over those steps, down those steps anymore. And here's another kind of a little temple here to go up on. Okay, nice. Right around here. This is where we came from. Look at this. Nice, interesting, black and white. Look how this is very unusual. And then see how these rocks are sticking out. The other ones are flat. And then even more amazing, as you see all these rocks here, look at how these are black and white over here. Different ones that are pebbling out around this corner. Look at that. All the way to the top. Real nice. And then there's the other ruin to go up on with easier steps to climb. And around this area. Oh. So this is the newest one that they're working on. A future coming attraction. They're excavating this one right here. Look at that. Pretty nice. So now I'm going to show you what's in this, underneath this straw hut thing. Check this out. Great big Mayan head right there. Look at that. Nice. That's why they got it under the sculpture over here, protecting it. Little ruins are along the way. This is pretty nice. Look what they did with the sculpture on this two big stones here. Give you a closer view of this. Look at this right here. Look at that fine attention to detail that is worn off. Looks like a Mayan god that's worn off over the years, has gone by. And then they got another, looks like the Mayan calendar, in fact. Yeah, I think that's what that is, a big Mayan calendar right there. And now, after climbing many flights of steps, we finally reach the top. Check this out, high atop over all of the trees in this jungle. There was the other ruins that we had walked by earlier, but couldn't quite see them because they were so high up and camouflaged or obscured within the forest trees. But then look at that. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. That's why you pay all the money to come hop on a bus and come on out here to enjoy sights like this. Okay, so now let me go up these flights of steps here, up to the top, and see what this angle looks like. Look at this, climbing up, like bear crawling, just to get up here. And then check this out, look at that. Now we've gotten a little more elevation from there. See how steep these are? Anne's going up these steps now, demonstrating how to properly do it. And this is it. This is as high as you can go. Can't go any higher than this on the ruins. Not a lot of people come here. There's one last, looks like a pyramid over there, so that's where I'm going to head to right now. Those are the king and the queen we were at earlier. Those two, and then that one you couldn't really see, had to just go around it. But so the clouds above, sun is shining brightly right down on us right now. And this is temple number 5. Look at this. Wow. This one was a surprise because I almost did not visit this one because it was kind of a little bit out of the way. But I decided I had a little bit of extra time, so why not check it out? Look at that. Looks almost like the king and the queen. And look at this, going all the way up. Let's check out, there's something else back here now, behind temple number 5. Let's look at that. All right, this is this one back here, hidden in the green. If you would like to see my other videos from Central America, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.